Cyprus has a long and checkered history, and in 1974, after centuries of simmering division between Greek and Turkish-speaking Cypriots, a third of the northern half of the island was occupied by Turkish forces following an attempted coup. Thousands of Cypriots decided to migrate overseas, and one of those was George Calombaris, who left the island when he was 8 and now runs a famous restaurant called the Press Club in my hometown of Melbourne. I thought it would be really interesting to find out how he served halloumi.
It's been on the menu here at the Press Club in our bar for a while now, and it's really simple. It's just some grilled halloumi. We just pan fry that off.
Right.
Now, what we do, we make some peppered figs. We've got these Iranian ones here, and you can make this well in advance and put it in jars and just keep it as you need it.
What's this here?
We've got some coriander seeds.
Yep.
Okay, so again, you know, that influence from the Middle East.
Yeah.
Some cloves, some cinnamon, some vanilla, which we'll just open up so it releases all that flavour into it. Okay, so that goes in. And we've got some balsamic vinegar. So they go on, and we just gently simmer them away, and what we end up with is this really rich, beautiful syrup that's been...
So how long would that been cooked for?
That'd take about 2 hours, and then you just pop it into sealable jars, let them cool down, and you can have it, they'll stay in the fridge for a good 6 months.
Okay.
In a hot pan. So I love the cheese because it's so whimsical for me. It's what we grew up on, and you know, some of this grilled off, some fresh watermelon, you know, a little drizzle of honey, and you're done. Okay. So there we are.
That's very simple.
It's really important also just not to take it straight out of the fridge. Let it come to room temperature before you cook it off.
Yeah.
Just so the inside's not cold. And then literally your peppered figs, over the top, and take all that beautiful syrup that's been left over.
Beautiful, look at that.
And then a bit of our red Cahill, just to lift it up a bit. And there you go, you've got a nice little sort of desserty, cheesy course.
Yeah. So you basically got your dessert and your cheese together.
That's right, that's right.
Fantastic.